Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be filming another advent calendar video. I think this is the third one of the series. Yeah, the third one. Today we've got the I Heart Revolution Gingerbread House advent calendar, and I'm going to be doing this video a little bit different. I normally do the full face of makeup using an advent calendar, but for this one, I'm just going to be doing it as an unboxing for two reasons. Number one, I've tested this brand before. I know that I love their products. I know that they work really well, so I think we're pretty good there. But number two, the most important reason, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway with all of the products that come out of this advent calendar. But for now, we need to unbox it. Well, first, let's just talk about the price. This was the most expensive advent calendar that I bought for this entire series. I spent £160 on this gingerbread house. So I basically bought this as soon as it came out because I thought it looks very nice. I feel like it's going to sell out quite quickly. So I bought it straight away, full price, 160 quid. And then I just had a look earlier to see if the price had changed. It is now £100. So they've knocked off £60, which already makes me think maybe it's not worth the money if they've already had to knock off 60 quid. But anyway, that is what we're going to find out. We're going to unbox it and see if it's worth the money, see what we get inside, and also you guys can find out what you can win in the giveaway. Firstly, we've got to talk about the packaging. This advent calendar is pretty cool. I feel like I'm saying about all of them, but is this one my fave? I did like that star last week. That was a nice star, but I think this might be my favorite. It's just a big gingerbread house. It's proper 3D, she is thick. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, it's a wide calendar. So yeah, it's just really nice, really sturdy, really well made, and the print looks amazing, so Christmassy, and just it looks lovely. But anyway, if you open it up, that's going to be an issue. If you open it up, it looks like this. So you've got all of the doors or are they boxes? Ow! You are going to get on my nerves, aren't you? There's always something poking me in these videos. Let's just get on with it and see what we've got. You are seriously, you're in my mouth. Okay, so they've put day number 1 at the top in its own separate thing. So, wow! That's how wide it is. I told you she was thick. That is how far back the box goes. Whew. It's a big calendar. So in day number 1, we've got a I Heart Revolution. Obviously, don't even go there. Am I going to do that again? They're all I Heart Revolution. Let's just put that out there. We've got a lip product. What are you? So I'm guessing it's a liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Stella, and it's kind of like a purpley reddy tone. It looks like it's got a bit of shimmer in it as well. So yeah, that is the first thing that you get in the advent calendar. I've just realised they're all in order. I like ones where you have to look for it, but never mind. We've got day number 2. So day number 2, we've got champagne and diamonds. Ooh, this is a triple baked highlighter. If you win, do you mind if I at least open them so I can show the products? Otherwise there's not much point me doing this video if all you're looking at is a box. I'm just gonna open it out of this cellophane. You'll probably appreciate that because then you don't have to get it out of the cellophane. You are welcome. So it's a little diamond shaped box, and then the highlighter, it's a champagne-y colour with a gold bit through the middle. It does look like quite a nice highlighter. Day number 3. Ooh, it's alive. Oh, she got a little brush. Day number 3 is the Mermaid's Heart brush. What's it for? Contour. So you get a little contour brush in there, but it's a little mermaid shape. It's very fancy. So yeah, you got a little brush. Day number 4, we've got a liquid lipstick with vitamin E. So this is one of their lip lava liquid lipsticks. It's in a little squirty tube. I'm guessing this is what the shade is like. It's kind of like a corally kind of colour. I'm guessing. I don't want to start squirting it out if I'm giving it away. It's on one of those little fluffy applicators. But yeah, get a little liquid lipstick in there. Very nice. Apparently you're taking my hair with it. Day number 5. We've got a chocolate orange mini eyeshadow palette. Don't these ones smell it better? That would be amazing. Good old Terry's chocolate orange. Nope. So yeah, this is the little eyeshadow palette. It does look really nice. Very pinky, orangey, kind of warm tone shades. So if you like that kind of thing, I feel like you'll like that. I really thought they smelt like whatever they are. I mean, I'm getting a hint of something, That is not chocolate orange, I'll tell you that. Day number 6. Oh, wow. Another glittery kind of metallic-y lip product, which I don't know about you, I'm not really keen on that. I'd prefer just some matte colours. But anyway, this is the metallic unicorn lips in the shade Whimsical. It's kind of like a pinky champagne-y shimmery colour. Day number 7. Oh, hello. Oh. What's that? So this is the Angel Heart eyeshadow palette. Is that what it is? Ooh, it's just like a really nice pinky purpley shade palette. Wait your turn. Day number 8. We've got a very heavy one. This feels like something big inside, like it's bulging out. Wow, that is like a full-on massive eyeshadow palette. Wait, hang on, so far everything is full-sized, isn't it? Like they ain't putting any minis in here, no samples. These are all full-sized products. So this is the I Heart Chocolate eyeshadow palette. Maybe this is the one that smells like chocolate. Ooh, yes. That smells so good. So this is just like a really bronzy toned eyeshadow palette. There's a lot of browns and nudes and just like very wearable colours in there. I feel like a lot of people would probably like this palette. Day number 9. So this is a really light feeling one. So we've got another really glittery liquid lipstick. This is the Metallic Angel Heart Lip Gloss in the shade Cherub. Oh, that's quite cute. So it's just like a really pink, sparkly lip product. Again, not a bit of me, but I'm not keeping it, it's yours. Day number 10. This is the Choc Mint Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Please tell me this smells like mint chocolate. That would be epic. Oh, actually, yeah. I do get a hint of mint. Like, it's not a chocolatey smell, but I definitely get a hint of mint. Oh, no, that does actually smell pretty good. And then the palette, oh, okay, so it is just like some chocolatey browny colours with a hint of mint. Literally, there's just a random greeny kind of blue shade in there. Day number 11, we have another sparkly lipstick product. Go on, they're really going hard on the sparkly ones, aren't they? This is a metallic unicorn lips in the shade Majestic. This is kind of like a purpley toned one. Day number 12. So we've got another highlighter. This is the Mermaid's Heart highlighter for your face and eyes, and this one's kind of like a multicolored one. This one's kind of like a green and gold with a bit of purple. Not the nicest shades, but it's all right. So you've got a little kind of rainbowy, well, it's not rainbow, is it? Colourful highlighter there. Day number 13. A pen. This is the Multi-Liner Bright. It's a 4 bright colour retractable liner pen. I used to love a good old clicky pen when I was young. I mean, I probably still would now. I'd probably still quite enjoy a clicky pen. But this is one of those, but for an eyeliner. So you've got 4 different shades. You've got blue, purple, teal, and silver. If you like bright coloured eyeliners, I feel like you'd probably quite like this. Day number 14. Wow. Oh, please say it's banana scented. It's yellow, so... Nope, creme brulee. So this is the creme brulee palette. Right, I always sniff before I even look. I mean, I don't think that smells like a creme brulee. So this is quite an interesting one. You've got a real mixture of different shades. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, there's all sorts in there, like literally all sorts of colours. Purples, blues, bronzy colours, yellows. I'm so glad I'm doing this as a giveaway because I wouldn't even have space for all of these bits. Honestly, there's so many palettes. Day number 15. I see donuts. I wish there was like an actual donut in there right now because what I would do for a donut right now. Oh, it's a sponge. So it's basically a bunch of these little sponges, makeup blending sponges. I don't really use sponges like that, but if you do, you get a bunch of them in there. There looks like quite a lot. Why is it a donut though? It's not a donut. I guess if you put them all together, it might make a circle. I don't know, but yeah, you get a bunch of sponges in there. Day number 16. This is the Dragon's Heart. No, Moon's eating tissue paper. So this is the Dragon's Heart highlighter for your face and eyes. I've never seen this. Ooh, it's like a really warm toned highlighter. Oh, more cellophane. Get my scissors out. Scissors. That was very close to my face. Moon, no, he's found more tissue paper. I thought I got it all. It looks quite nice. So it's just like a pinky and goldy shade highlighter. Do these smell? No. No, that one does actually look really nice. Day number 17, we have another sparkly lipstick. quite a lot of them now, really. How many have we had? 4, 5? Let's hope you like sparkly lips. This is the Metallic Unicorn Lips in the shade Fantasy. This is a purple one. The other one was more of like a dull purple. Is that the right word? Whereas this one's more of like a purple. It's brighter, basically. Day number 18. Ooh, okay, so we've got the Angel Heart highlighter for your face and eyes. They all say that, don't they? This one looks like a kind of pinky one again. Oh, okay. This one has really nice packaging. Oh, can you see that? It's like, what is it? Like, I don't know. It's got that really cool like look to it. Really helpful. I think this might be my favourite one so far. This one's really pretty. It's like a pink and white highlighter. Like that looks like a proper bright white. I like that one. Day number... That was horrible. Day number 19, another really heavy one. Another massive palette. There's a lot of big boys in here. This is the I Heart Chocolate Salted Caramel eyeshadow palette. Is this one gonna smell like salted caramel? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? I hope so. At first it's like, oh yeah, delicious, but then it's like, actually no, I think that just smells like plastic. I can't tell. They don't smell bad, like none of them smell bad, but I'm not sure, I don't know. So this one is like again, quite a bronzy palette. A lot of them are very bronzy because they're all kind of chocolate themed. Day number 20. Oh, we're getting close to Christmas. 5 days till Christmas. I mean, it's not, but at this point, I'm already so excited. Hey, a special guest. Another highlighter. I'm seeing a theme. Sparkly lips, highlighters, and chocolate palettes is basically all this advent calendar is, so I hope you like those kinds of things. And a cat. You also get a free cat inside. You helping? Please don't pull them all out. Oh my goodness, is he just gonna sit in there? That is adorable that he thinks he can fit in there. You're a bit big, love. Anyway, this is the Lightning Triple Baked Highlighter. Well, this one's just all one colour, but it looks like a really nice colour actually. Oh, I think I like that one. That is a bit of me. It's just like a champagne-y coloured highlighter. That looks really nice. Day number 21, my lucky number. Someone was like, why is it your lucky number? I don't know, it just always has been. But anyway, day 21 is... I think it is. It's a matte lipstick. Finally, no shimmer, no glitter, just a nice, hang on a minute. Part of me thinks I can see shimmer. This is in the shade Nebula. Am I saying Nebula? Yeah, it's just like a really nice nudie colour. I really like the look of that shade. That's definitely something that I would wear. So yeah, I'm glad they've put something a little bit more wearable in there, as well as all the crazy coloured glittery things. Day 22, another heavy one, another palette. Let me guess. More chocolate. Death by Chocolate. Yeah, you would be by the end of this because there is a lot of it. That's quite a strange name. I don't know. The chocolate ones smell amazing. Like the ones that are just pure chocolate, they smell amazing, honestly. Oh, there's a shade called Lick Me. So it is just another kind of neutral, bronzy coloured palette. They're all just looking the same to me at this point. Is it just me, or are all of these palettes the same? I mean, they're not the same, but they're all very, very similar. Day number 23. Finally, we have something different at long last. We've got a blusher. Yeah, it is. The Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Blusher. I recognise that. I've definitely had this one before. It's just like a little pink baked blusher. You've got a few different shades on there. Looks very nice. Day number 24. It's Christmas Eve. What have you got? Ooh, I like this one. It's in the shape of a star. It's the Superstar Triple Baked Highlighter. This is something a bit different. I mean, it's still a highlighter. There's a lot of highlighters, isn't there? This is a much darker highlighter. This would be perfect for deeper skin tones. Or, I don't know if that would work as a bronzer, but you could use that on your eyes. I think that would look really pretty. But yeah, you get a little highlighter like that. I love that this one's in a little star. I wish they did more in stars. And then finally, we've got day 25. It's Christmas Day. What you getting? I think it's another big palette because this feels heavy. Ooh, it's another palette. This is the Cinnamon eyeshadow palette. They are all food, aren't they? They are like all yummy, sweet foods. I haven't even opened this one yet and I just got a massive waft of cinnamon, like honestly. Oh, and that's really Christmassy as well, isn't it? Oh yeah. Don't let me ever do that again. Oh yeah. Wow. If you like cinnamon scents, you are gonna love this. And then inside, it looks quite nice actually. There's quite a range of different colours in this one. You've got some bronzy ones, you've got some yellows, you've got some reddier ones, some purples, some everything. You've got a selection of different colours in there, and I feel like that one's quite nice. Yeah, probably the best palette to end on, so that's good. So that is everything that you get inside the advent calendar. I'm just gonna close it now. If you're wondering what this was, I put it on a Soap and Glory box just to make it a bit higher up. I think they were definitely right to reduce it down to £100. I think £160 is just a little bit much for an advent calendar, especially when I know this is a very affordable brand. Like, you've got to think, how much was each product? And also I think they could have done with a little bit more of a range of different things. I think there was just a lot of highlighters and a lot of like the same kind of palettes. They could have done like a little bit more of a variety, I guess. You get all full-sized products, which is amazing. I just think £160 was a lot, like a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do some more advent calendar videos. I mean, I do have quite a few more to come, so regardless of what you do, they are coming, but it's good if you let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye. Oh, it's a long way. It's a long way. Ugh. Also, let me know if you think this advent calendar is worth it. Like, would you spend that much money on it, or do you think it's a rip-off? Let me know. All right, bye.